Hey guys, in this video I'll tell you how you can create faceless YouTube videos by using AI. I'll tell you about some AIs and you can use it for free by clicking the link in the description. The first is Adobe Express. Here are some characters you can use. You can choose from them. For example, I'm selecting this goat character. You can record your voice and then you can click on create video. Okay, so I recorded my voice. I'll show you the video. Like, share, and subscribe. The second AI is Synesthesia. You can use it for free by clicking the link in description. I'll click on create free AI video. Here you can choose your template and you can type your script here. Then you can click on continue. Here you have to provide your email address and then click on generate free video. The third is Hagen. You can choose any avatar you want, like I'm selecting this one. Then I'll click on create video. Here I have to write my script. You can also record audio script and change your avatar from here. This is how you can create faceless YouTube videos by using AI. I hope the video helped you. Remember to give this video thumbs up if you found it useful and subscribe our channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching the video. Like, share and subscribe.